The asset inventory in the GuardsPro Back Office Dashboard provides a centralized view of all assets, allowing administrators to monitor availability, usage, and stock levels in real time. It helps track lost, in-use, and under-maintenance assets, supports efficient inventory planning through reorder level monitoring, and enables easy reporting and sharing of asset information, ensuring your inventory remains organized, accurate, and easy to manage for smooth operations across your security teams. This guide helps you to view asset inventory using the Back Office Dashboard. Log in to the GuardsPro Back Office Dashboard. From the left-hand menu, navigate to Asset Management and then select Asset Inventory from the drop-down. Asset Inventory List. The next screen displays the complete list of assets associated with your account. Use the search bar at the top right to quickly find a specific asset by name. Each asset in the list includes the following details: asset name, name or identifier of the asset, total asset, total number of units recorded, lost, number of units marked as lost, under maintenance, assets currently under maintenance or repair, in use, assets assigned or actively in use, in stock, available assets not assigned or under maintenance, reorder level, minimum stock level set for reordering, edit inventory, details. Use the edit inventory panel to update stock and reorder information for an asset. From this screen, you can stock in hand, update the current quantity available for the selected asset, reorder level, set the minimum stock threshold at which the asset should be reordered, reorder quantity, define how many units should be reordered when the stock reaches the reorder level, preferred vendor. Select an existing vendor from the drop-down list to associate with the asset for reordering. If the vendor is not listed, click New Vendor to add a new vendor directly from this screen. Once all details are updated, click Save to apply the changes. This helps ensure accurate stock tracking, timely reordering, and proper vendor association for each asset. Export and share inventory data. Click the three-dot menu next to the search bar to perform the following actions. Export as PDF. Download inventory details in PDF format. Export as Excel. Download inventory data as an Excel file. Print the inventory list. Email. Send the inventory report via email. Pagination controls. Use the items per page option at the bottom of the screen to control how many inventory records are displayed at one time. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime.